Hi peeps, it is good to see you visiting my channel. Welcome. So, have you been searching how to clean the fans on this Lenovo Legion 5 laptop, the exact model listed right in front of you? Well, you came to the right video guide. I will demonstrate how to remove both the CPU and the GPU fan and clean it. So without further procrastinating, let's dive straight into it, shall we? Just as a quick reminder, many replacement parts will be listed below in the description box of this video regarding this laptop. By the way, I don't want to fail to mention, these four are a bit shorter. Specifically, this laptop has never been opened before, so it is really holding tight. Therefore, I will progress slowly. Before touching any of the components, first disconnect the battery. I will finally start working on the fans and clean them, so only 3 screws. Have to remove this nearby cover also to release the fan. Disconnecting the fan. If you're doing this like I'm doing it here, please be extremely careful not to bend the heatsink. After some dusting and cleaning, I will put the fan back. Time for the other fan as well. Again, very gentle with this if you're doing it the my way. Avoid bending the heatsink at all cost. After proper cleaning, putting it back again. Allow me to show you where the RAM is located and how to reach it. Maximum supported RAM is 32 gigs. That is it, folks. Another do-it-yourself video guide finished. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please click on the little like button below. It would mean the world to me. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. And until we meet again, successful upgrading.